In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add AI chatbot to Squarespace website. Tutorial 2025. Before we begin, make sure you're logged into your Squarespace site and that you have your chatbot's embed snippet ready from your provider. We'll place that snippet in a code block on your page so the chatbot appears exactly where you want it. Start by opening the page where you want the chatbot to live. In the editor, add a new section so we have a clean spot to work with. Choose Add Section, then select Add Blank. A blank section gives you full control over layout and avoids extra styling that could interfere with the widget. Inside that new section, add a new block. When the block menu appears, use the search field and start typing until the code block is highlighted. Select Code to insert it into the section. Click inside the code block editor to activate it. You'll see a simple placeholder, often something like Hello World. Click that placeholder to highlight it, and click again if needed to ensure all of the placeholder content is selected. We're going to replace this with your chatbot embed. Now, type or paste your chatbot's embed code right into the editor, replacing the placeholder entirely. This is typically a short script or iframe provided by your chatbot platform. If your provider offers multiple snippets, choose the one specifically labeled for website embedding. Avoid pasting any private keys or sensitive credentials directly. Most providers give you a safe, copy-and-paste snippet that keeps sensitive information on their side. With the code in place, use Preview in Safe Mode. Safe Mode temporarily disables other custom code so you can see how the chatbot loads without conflicts. This is a great way to confirm that the widget appears, positions correctly, and responds to clicks or typing. If you need to make adjustments, return to the code view, tweak the snippet or its container, and preview again. When everything looks good, click Save to commit your changes. Exit the editor to view the page as a visitor would. You should see the chatbot appear in the section you created, ready for interaction. If you want to continue refining the layout or spacing around the widget, go back into Edit and adjust the section or add supporting content nearby, like a short heading or instructions. That's it. You opened your page, added a blank section, inserted a code block, replaced the placeholder with your chatbot embed, verified it in safe mode, saved, exited, and jumped back into editing for any finishing touches. Your Squarespace site now has an AI chatbot ready